Hello, and welcome back to the Wiladust brothers. As always, this is me, Dustin, and
it's Will. How's it going, guys? So today we're going to be playing some more 1080 Avalanche, doing another race. Just going against each other, seeing if we've gotten any better or most likely any worse, but we shall see, So
we already have everything picked out in advance, too.
Yeah.
We know exactly what we were going to do.
Yeah. So.
Let's see. Alright. You gotta love that. It tells you what you chose, just in case you didn't know.
Okay. We'll just do a quick Tenderfoot pass. See if we can do pretty well.
We love this stage. Sorry for the background noise. Got my window open because it's hot in here. Stuffy. Oh yeah, I'm on top and Will's on the bottom. Just in case everyone's wondering. I'll go down.
Oh, finally cleared that one. Okay, watch out. Going after skiers once again. Okay. Oh, running into trees and skiers left. Drilled a skier right through the line.
So close.
That was a good race, but there are times. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed that. And
no, let's do it.
You want to retry it?
Yeah, let's do a retry.
Okay, we're gonna retry it. So here we go. All right, run 2. Let's see if we can do any better.
Oh, that's, yeah, I'm doing much better.
I mean, for a Nintendo GameCube game, I enjoy that they put obstacles like, you know, the skiers or trees, and you know, it makes you do more than just go down the slopes and do a couple tricks.
I know, the trees, man.
Well, for me, it's more the skiers. See, like that. Like I ran the skiers. Oh, and he's got his power. Goody, goody, goody.
I like in the story mode, you got that avalanche coming after you.
Yeah, once you go all through those stages, the very last one is, or the last one for green, blue, and black is the avalanche. But holy crap, dude, that was a hell of a landing.
That is recorded on film.
That was awesome.
Oh, not film, but
yeah,
film's the '90s term. Anyway,
thanks,
so
guys.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe.
Yeah, if you guys would like to check out some of our other videos that we've done some of these. We're going to try and do some maybe Mario Kart or something a little bit more later on. And we'll catch you guys.
Because I got a lot of GameCube games.
Yeah, maybe some PS3 as well. But we'll see what happens. So thanks for watching and take it easy.
Rock out.